Welcome to Milford How To. This is how to wire a 7-pin flat trailer plug quickly and easily. Remove the screw cap from the trailer plug, then remove the rubber dust plug. Store both in a safe place. Remove the plug cover, then remove the retaining clip and 2 screws from inside the plug. Loosen the retaining screws on all pins, ensuring they are not fully undone. Carefully slide the wires through the screw cap. Carefully slide the wires through the rubber dust plug. This is how the wires will be attached and what they are used for. Number 1 is the left-hand indicator, the yellow wire. Number 2 is the reversing signal, the black wire. This pin is sometimes used as an auxiliary power supply for the trailer, as most trailers do not have a reversing signal. Number 3 is the earth return, the white wire. Number 4 is the right-hand indicator, the green wire. Number 5 is the service brakes, the blue wire. This pin is sometimes used as a signal wire for electronic brake controllers. Number 6 is the brake lights, the red wire. Number 7 is the tail lights, clearance and side markers, the brown wire. Insert the exposed wire ends into the correct pins and then secure with the retaining screws. Attach the retaining clip with the 2 screws to secure the wires into the plug. Replace the plug cover, then feed the rubber dust plug into the open end. Secure the flat plug with the screw cap. Tape over the screw cap and wires with black electrical tape to protect it from damage. You have now finished wiring a 7-pin flat trailer plug.